The Houston Methodist Sugarland Hospital campus, located in the greater Houston metropolis, recently underwent an expansion. In addition to a new office building, a new 1,150-car garage was also needed to accommodate this development. At 3 bays wide and 7 levels tall, this large structure was designed, manufactured, and installed by precast manufacturer Legacy Precast. The scope of work for the total precast concrete parking garage included matching the architectural finishes of the existing campus design, constructing 2 air-conditioned pedestrian bridges, and building a vehicle bridge to attach the new garage to an existing adjacent parking structure. In order to achieve the goal of matching the surrounding architecture, the precaster used a white architectural concrete mix with a medium sandblast finish, as well as multiple face projections and a tapered top edge condition on all precast concrete spandrel panels. Creating a vehicle bridge that tied into an existing garage required a coordinated effort between the contractor, precaster, and the precast specialty engineering firm. Their solution was to replace a precast spandrel panel in the existing parking garage with a large flange steel beam to support the existing double T's. The installation of the steel beam and the removal of the spandrel panel took place over a weekend to minimize campus disturbance. The existing parking garage was even able to remain open during the process, further validating why precast concrete is the natural material choice to solve both creative and pragmatic needs of many projects. Precast concrete was a key part of not only achieving the design intention to keep the campus visually cohesive, but also in reaching the higher goal of seamlessly uniting the hospital's infrastructure via vehicle and pedestrian bridges.